What? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, in this video I will be watching the latest song drop from our very own Indian test rapper. Yes, काफी time हो गया है और उनके गाने पे react किए, so but I never miss whenever he drops a song. So this song is called If You Fall and produced by Hippie Jack. So I like this combo, AKB and Hippie Jack. So yeah, I don't want to deal with this any further because this time I'm reacting to his song quite late after his drop. Usually जब उनका गाना drop हो जाता है, I immediately listen to it, but yes, couldn't make the time this time. So yes, this song, If You Fall, this came out 3 weeks ago. So let's listen to this right away. Is it a motivational song? If you fall. Oh, hey girl. No, it's not.
Do your thing. Just do your thing. And if you fall, I'll be there to catch you.
What? He's singing? Oh, surprise. Oh, this is a totally different vibe. Huh? AKB changing his sound, experimenting with the sound. So now he's in that phase where he is experimenting with the kind of sound,
Hey girl,
he wants to
do your thing.
diversify into. That's interesting. I think this is the first time I'm listening to him sing. And even the music is quite soothing. Like,
And if you fall, I'll be there to catch you. I'll be there to catch you.
if you fall, I'll be there to catch you. Okay.
If you fall, I'll be there to catch you. I'll be there to catch you. I'll always be there. If you trip and fall, baby, I would take the fall for you. Baby, if you want it all, I would risk it all for you. I would rip out my heart for you. I would restart to start with you. All over, whole life with you. Go ahead, girl, do your thing. And if you fall, I'll be there to catch you. I'll be there to catch you. I'll always be there. And if you fall, I'll be there to catch you. I'll be there.
Oh, I like this vibe from him. It's very, I like how kind of laid back it is, because if you listen to most of his songs that I have listened to till now, it's very like, it has a punch. It comes with a punch when it comes to the music, when it comes to the way he's rapping, the way his cadence is. But if you listen to this, like even like I'm talking about all the romantic songs also that he has, like I have listened to till now. But this one is different. This one is very, very different because there's a sense of soothingness in the voice also, in the music also. I like it. This is different. It's different and I like it.
Catch you, I'll always be there. And if you fall, I'll be there to catch you.
Oh, I like this vibe.
I'll be there to catch you. I'll always be there. Do what you want. It's you that I want.
Oh,
Ain't a thing that I won't do for you. All the crazy things I do for you. Baby, for you I'd get 2 tattoos. One on my heart and one you choose. Go ahead, girl, do your thing. And if you fall, I'll be there to catch you.
I like how simple the structure of the song is.
I'll always be there.
But it's a vibe.
And if you fall, I'll be there to catch you. I'll be there to catch you. I'll always be there. And if you fall, I'll be there to catch you. I'll be there to catch you. I'll always be there.
Oh, I like this vibe. This was different. Oh, nice. Like after came Wahoo, Wahoo, Vache and all of that, this suddenly became like a very different vibe. Yeah, that was interesting, and I'm so happy to see. Like I'm just noticing now, his audience is also increasing, which I love personally, because I feel that he's always given a lot of variety when it comes to the kind of songs that he's making. It's not like one dimensional. There are motivational songs, and he's foraying into Gujarati rap also, which personally I feel is like that's his forte. For me, I think my biggest USP, if I have to talk about him, is that when he started doing the Gujarati rap, I don't know, I see a different spark on him. So inside of him I see a very, very different spark, and I think a lot of audience now, because he's so good at that, a lot of audience are expecting that from him. I would love a song with this kind of vibe also in Gujarati. That'll be very interesting, right? Huh? AKB, our Indian dentist rapper, if you're listening, watching, come on. I think why not? Why not? And I love the fact that he's collaborating also this year with a lot of artists, and I would love to see more and more collaborations. So yeah, man's busy, huh? Our bro is busy, and that's great. So I loved the vibe of the song. This was different because it was very laid back. There was a sense of sensuality also in the song. Love the little sound effect and the ad-lib thing when if you fall, and you could hear that background sound, na, 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 like that was harmonizing with his vocals. So there was a little bit of singing. It was very, very, it was very vibey. The music was also like very soothing. Everything was nice. I think this was very, very different, and I did not expect that, because when I saw the title, If You Fall, I was like, okay, is it a motivation song? Like, if you fall, do not give up. I totally thought it was going to be that. Like, if you fall, don't give up, and, stand up for yourself, and something like that. But this was completely like, my expectations were completely subverted. So that's great. And I love when an artist does that. Like because you see a pattern, and then suddenly and you expect that, okay, the next song is going to be something like that only, and then it's something completely different. I love that. I personally like to get surprised like this by an artist. So more power to you, AKB. And yeah, that was the reaction for If You Fall, and I think Hippie Jack did a really good job. It's probably one of my favorite productions that he has done for AKB, definitely, like hands down. So yeah, that was it, guys. That was the reaction. Those were my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and with that I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.